Join me as I take on the challenge of navigating a Grindr hookup and share my top tips on how to survive it. Let's see if I can make it through unscathed. In 2024, Grindr hookups are more popular than ever. And while they can be a fun way to meet new people, safety and awareness are essential. With the rise of dating apps, it's easier than ever to meet someone new, but it's crucial to prioritize your well-being and take necessary precautions. When it comes to Grindr hookups, there are risks involved. Safety concerns are a major issue. You're meeting a stranger, after all. Then there's the emotional vulnerability of putting yourself out there, not to mention the stigma that still surrounds casual encounters. It's essential to acknowledge these risks and take steps to mitigate them. You need to be aware of your own emotional readiness for a hookup and make sure you're not putting yourself in a situation that could lead to hurt or regret. There's also the risk of judgment from others, whether it's friends, family, or even yourself. It's crucial to remember that your sexual choices are yours alone, and you shouldn't let others dictate your decisions. Finally, there's the risk of deception. People may not always be who they say they are, so it's vital to take things slowly and get to know someone before meeting up. To ensure a safe and enjoyable hookup experience, communication is key. Make sure you're clear about your intentions and boundaries with your match, and be upfront about what you're looking for. Meeting in public places is also a must. It's easier to stay safe when you're in a crowded area. Being aware of red flags is crucial too. If someone's being evasive or secretive, or if they're pushing for something you're not comfortable with, trust your instincts and bail. Don't be afraid to ask for more information or clarification. It's better to be safe than sorry. Finally, make sure you have a way to get home safely, whether it's a ride-sharing service or a trusted friend. Never rely on your hookup to get you home. I've got a personal story that illustrates the importance of following safety protocols during a hookup. I once matched with someone on Grindr who seemed perfect, charming, funny, and really into me. But when we decided to meet up, he started getting evasive about meeting in a public place, and when I pushed back, he got defensive and aggressive. I trusted my instincts and canceled the meetup, and it turned out he had a history of manipulation and coercion. It was a close call, but it taught me a valuable lesson. Trust your gut and don't be afraid to prioritize your own safety. One of the most important things I've learned from my experiences with Grindr hookups is that communication is everything. Be clear about your intentions. Be respectful of the other person's boundaries, and don't be afraid to ask questions or seek clarification. It's also crucial to prioritize your own emotional well-being. If you're not feeling it, don't be afraid to say no or cancel. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found my tips on how to survive a Grindr hookup helpful. If you've got a story or question about Grindr hookups, leave a comment below. I'd love to hear from you. And if you want more content on dating and relationships, be sure to subscribe for new videos every week.